What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best car accessories on Amazon in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We'll kick things off with the Maxboost Car Mount, the best phone holder you can find on Amazon in 2021. If you want to place your smartphone on any flat surface, the Maxboost magnetic car holder is the gadget you've been looking for. This magnetic phone holder allows you to enjoy the hands-free experience of your phone while driving and doing other tasks. Easy to install, simply peel off the glue and place the mount wherever you want it on the dashboard of your car. It is compatible with any clean surface, including wood, glass, leather, or metal. You can place a round metal plate on the case between the cover and the phone. You can also glue it to the case, where it becomes much stronger due to direct contact with the magnet. In addition to the soft rubber that prevents scratches on your smartphone, it has 4 very strong built-in magnets that fix your phone to the surface of the holder. This way you can relax while driving and be carefree. The Maxboost Car Mount has a slim design, taking up less space. It comes in an elegant black finish that complements every surface on the dashboard. The product size is 6 by 2 by 1 inch, while its weight is 2.5 ounces. We like how this model does not block ventilation when used in a car. Also, extremely flexible rotation gives users the ability to place in absolutely any desired viewing angle. You can place the phone at the perfect angle for a more complete experience and total enjoyment. Also, the Maxboost Car Mount is very easy to install and no tools are required. This product provides compatibility with all smartphones. Good stuff. The next product we've singled out for you is the TileMate, the car accessory for keys available on Amazon in 2021. Everyone should be careful not to lose valuables such as their house or car keys, wallet, backpack, or anything along those lines. TileMate allows fastening as a keychain. The Tile app is available in both the iOS App Store and the Android Google Play. As soon as we open the app for the first time, we'll find an option to see instructions on how these tiles work. You have to log in first and can use your Facebook account for it. Once the Bluetooth and location permissions have been approved, you'll be ready to get started. The process is pretty quick and easy. Just press the button on the device and wait for the sound. Hold the tile near your mobile phone and wait a few seconds. When this is done, you can perform a test operation by pressing the Find button on the mobile phone and listening to how the melody signal is emitted on the board. There is another extremely useful option, and that is the reverse process, allowing you to locate your mobile phone. All Mate accessories work with a button cell, identical to the one found in many watches. These batteries have a very long lifespan, although this isn't a problem given that the price of these batteries is very low. TileMate is perfect for carrying a keychain, and even for carrying in a backpack. Or you can use it to remember where you left your car or bike. It has 4 tones of sound and is resistant to water splash with IP5 certification. If the locator is within a radius of 30 meters, you can ring it with a single touch from a mobile phone. If the device is out of Bluetooth range, GPS will mark its last location in the app. With a margin of 30 meters, you will surely find it. On the other hand, pressing the GPS locator, your connected smartphone or tablet will ring even if it's in silent mode. Moreover, you can take advantage of TileMate to locate your devices with each other. For example, use your Android mobile phone to find your iPad. Thumbs up, that's for sure. For all you folks looking for a good massager to reduce your muscle tension while driving in a car, we say look no further than the Zyllion Shiatsu back and neck massager, the best massager car accessory available on Amazon in 2021. The world we live in can be quite a stressful place, and it is glaringly obvious that from time to time you'll end up with a few knots and pains. Instead of making an appointment with a masseuse, visit the Zyllion Shiatsu back and neck massager. Everything from design to functionality is set for maximum comfort, all at a fair price. This massage tool is equipped with an incredibly easy-to-clean textured faux leather cover. In addition, it packs an advanced heating function that practically eliminates pain. The device also comes with adjustable straps that allow the user to attach it to any surface, handy and convenient. With more than 32,000 user ratings, the Shiatsu massager relaxes muscle thanks to its advanced warm-up function and automatically changes direction every minute. The ergonomic pillow perfectly adapts to the contours of the neck and upper back, and if you want, you can use it for the lower back, abdomen, body, or thighs without any problems. Furthermore, the Zyllion Shiatsu back and neck massager is quite compact, can be worn anywhere, and works connected to the power using an adapter that works for both 110 to 120 volts and 220 to 240 volts. A comfortable strap helps you place the massager on your favorite chair to target your sore spots. This makes the device perfect for long car rides, but it can also be used for your office chair. It also boasts a perfect size, with a size of 13 by 9.5 by 3.5 inches and a weight of 3.5 pounds, which users point out as an added advantage. The only drawbacks that some users have mentioned are that it's a bit noisier. Overall, this is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. At any given moment, a variety of things can be found in your car that you probably wish weren't there. Dirt, Doritos crumbles, dog hair, random leaves, potato chips, small pieces of paper, leftovers plus French fries from your last fast food stop. Therefore, the next product on our rundown for today is the ThisWorx Car Vacuum Cleaner, also known as the best car vacuum accessory that can be found on Amazon in 2021. All you have to do with this fella is plug it into a 12-volt car outlet and clean it professionally. Thanks to the HEPA filter it uses, the device also eliminates allergens so that your car remains safe and healthy. You just have to think about how much money you'll save if you don't have to go to the car wash often, and the choice will be clear. Cordless vacuum cleaners can be quite handy, but they often don't have the power to do their job well. This one has a 110-volt motor and a cable of almost 16 feet that can reach almost any corner between the seats and nothing falls from the side. The solid brush allows you to intensively clean stubborn dirt. Also, this wired vacuum cleaner comes with several accessories and a practical pouch for storage and transport. The handheld vacuum cleaner includes 3 different attachments, including a pet hairbrush. Furthermore, the container in which the dirt is stored is transparent, so you can see all the debris that enters the device. This fella is a great gift for someone who travels often. Users love this small device because of its convenience. ThisWorx Car Vacuum Cleaner includes 3 different accessories in the box: a brush nozzle, an extendable head, and a flathead. As for the shortcomings, users are almost completely satisfied with this car vacuum cleaner and point out that there are no objective shortcomings that need to be mentioned. The device comes in the size of 13.4 by 4 by 4.3 inches, as well as a weight of 2.4 pounds. Good stuff, highly recommended. And we came to the last product on our rundown for today, and a critically important car accessory. Introducing the Garmin Dash Cam 66 watt, which quite rightly took the title of the best car dash cam you can find on Amazon in 2021. The Garmin Dash Cam is more than a dashboard camera. This fella includes driver assistance warnings that can help you avoid an accident, sporting a small size so it doesn't interfere with your view. It's also combined with an intuitive smartphone app that lets you check, download, and store images, videos, and data from your device. The Garmin contains everything you need to get started, except for a micro SD card. We appreciate that Garmin includes 2 USB cables and magnetic windshield mounts in case you lose one or want to move the camera between vehicles. The dual 12-volt USB adapter is another nice touch, so you can connect your phone as well. The Garmin 66 watt measures approximately 1.6 by 2.2 by 1.4 inches, so it easily stays out of sight. It has a 2-inch screen on the side facing you and 4 buttons on the right. The USB connector on the left makes it easy to connect the power cord. The camera offers an exceptionally wide 180-degree field of view and can record 1440p video at 30 frames per second. It also offers 1080p at 60 fps or 30 fps and 720p at 30 fps. In a variety of our tests, the video quality was impressive during the day at 1080p 60 fps, easily capturing important images such as car manufacturers and license plate data. The camera marks the time in the images and includes GPS coordinates, which can be turned off to determine exactly where the incident occurred. Additionally, the Garmin phone app for Android and iOS is a handy addition that not only allows you to view, store, and download images and data, but also connects to the device via built-in Wi-Fi for real-time image streaming. It could function as video surveillance for car owners who take care of safety, as long as the device is in range. Overall, this product offers crucial features that are a must-have for most car owners. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.